Hello experts, welcome to a tutorial on how to recover your administrator credentials for Nexus switches running NXOS software. My name is Yasmir Arroyo and I'm a technical consultant engineer at Cisco. Let's begin by reviewing the basics. If you are following this tutorial, it is assumed you no longer have access or you have forgotten your administrator credentials and don't have access to a network admin user account either. In order to perform the process, you need a successful and stable console connection to the switch. This operation is disruptive for traffic. If your switch has dual supervisors, it is recommended to extract the second supervisor from the chassis while the process is performed. Password recovery updates the new administrator password only in the local user database and not on the remote AAA servers. The new password works only if local authentication is enabled. It does not work for remote authentication. When a password is recovered, local authentication is enabled for logins through a console so that the admin user can log in with a new password from a console. There are two ways to proceed with the administrator password recovery once you are connected to the console of the switch. If you are able to log in with any other user apart from the administrator role you want to recover, perform a reload directly from the CLI. If you are not able to access the switch using any user, you will need to cycle power to it by disconnecting it from the power source and connecting it back. In both scenarios, our goal is to interrupt the booting sequence by repeatedly pressing Ctrl+C and falling into the loader prompt. In this example, we are able to log into the Nexus device by using an account different from the admin one. From here, we will proceed with a reload of the switch. From this point, as soon as we see logs from the boot up process, we must start pressing Ctrl+C to interrupt it and fall into the loader prompt. Once we are in the loader, we need to use the cmd line recovery mode equals 1 command to enter recovery mode on the switch after we boot the NXOS image. Now, review the content of the boot flash. You should be able to locate the desired software image and subsequently load it using the boot command. As you can see, our current prompt is switch boot. In this step, the NXOS software has not finished loading completely, but we can configure our new password for the administrator user from here. By this point, we can fully finish loading the NXOS image by using the command load NXOS. As you can see, the software is now fully loaded and the switch is greeting us with the login prompt. Proceed to use your newly created password. Once you have access to the switch again by using your network admin user, make sure to perform any needed changes such as reapplying the username and password configuration for the admin role and any other considered accounts on the switch. This is especially important to ensure the new password also matches the SNMP password. Also, don't forget to save your running configuration to the startup configuration. I hope this video has assisted you to successfully recover a lost or forgotten password on your Nexus switch running NXOS. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Should you require any additional assistance, please don't hesitate to contact Cisco Tech.